Okay, today I'm going to show you how to open up a Admiral electric clothes dryer. Get the top open. Most of the older units are pretty simple. You see there's a unibody design. There's no screws on the outside. But if you look to the front, I'll try to get some detail here. If you look in towards the front, and actually I'm going to turn this around to get a better angle, more light. That's better. If you look to the front, you'll see a little indentation on each side. There's a spring-loaded clip in there that you need to push in, and the dryer will just pop up. So you can either get a screwdriver, which I'm okay with because it's kind of an older unit, or you can take a screwdriver and wrap it in a little cloth, and you just push it in and twist. And that'll pop one side up, push it in at that indentation, twist, and now here's what you can see is going on. It's got a set of hinges in the back to flip it up. Okay? We flip that up and show you what we're going to work with. Now inside, it just has these spring-loaded clips, and that's all we did was we just pushed those in and forced up the top.